Welcome. This is a 5-minute full body stretch to help release tension and stress. Let's begin seated. Any way you feel comfortable, either on the knees, maybe even sitting on a pillow. Planting the left hand to your side. Rest here if this is enough of a stretch, or begin to draw the right ear towards the right shoulder. Option to draw the chin up and down, finding a bit of movement here. Release, switching sides, right hand to the mat, left ear to the left shoulder. Option to find some movement, drawing the chin up and down. Observing the body here as you find movement. Release, take a moment, maybe circulating the neck. And when you're ready, come to your belly. Plant the hands. Inhale, peeling the chest off the mat. Gentle bend in the elbows for cobra pose. And we'll release. Inhale once again. Feel free to straighten the arms this time, peeling the chest off the mat. And feel free to stay right here, or if you'd like, you can take a gentle twist, gazing over your shoulder and then gazing over the other shoulder. And we'll exhale, release, sending the hips towards your heels for child's pose. Taking a moment here to soften the shoulders, soften the hips. With each exhale, observing the body here. Exhale, walking the hands towards your left, drawing the breath into the right rib cage, so really creating that space in the torso, and as you exhale, softening the shoulders. Inhale back to center. Exhale, walking the hands towards your right, this time drawing the breath into that left side body. Exhale, softening the shoulders. Inhale back to center. We'll round up one vertebrae at a time. Let the head come up last. As you exhale, rounding through the spine, chin to chest, palms to touch right in front of you. Inhale, gaze up, open the arms, open the chest. And we'll continue syncing breath with movement. On your next inhale, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.